Do you know how to safely watch a solar eclipse? If you're planning to experience this total solar eclipse on the 12th August 2026, it's important to be prepared. First, never look directly at the sun without proper protection. Regular sunglasses are not safe. You need certified eclipse glasses that meet specific safety standards. Real eclipse glasses will have a label on them. Put them on before looking up. The eclipse begins with a partial phase as the moon slowly moves across the sun. During this entire phase, keep your eclipse glasses on at all times. If you are lucky enough to be within the path of totality, you will witness up to a few minutes of the moon completely covering the sun. This moment is called totality, and it's the only time it's safe to look with the naked eye. You'll see the sun's glowing corona surrounding the dark moon. But be ready. The moment the sun starts to reappear, put your eclipse glasses back on immediately.